So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio Soundbar 5.1 surround speaker not working, satellite pairing and audio fix. So fix 1 is verify the rear cable connection. Turn off the soundbar and subwoofer, then inspect the back of the wireless subwoofer. Unplug the cool color coded audio cable from the left and right rear speaker. Firmly reconnect the cable until they click or fit tightly. Ensure cable are plugged into the input ports or the rear speakers. Second fix is repair the subwoofer and speaker. Turn on your soundbar, locate the pairing button on the back of the subwoofer, then press and hold the pairing button for 5 seconds until the LED light flashes quickly. On the Vizio soundbar, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Observe the LED light on the soundbar flash and the subwoofer LED turn solid, indicating a successful connection. Third fix is change the soundbar surround setting. Grab your Vizio soundbar remote, press the surround button, use the arrow key or press the button again to toggle the setting to on. Then press the EQ button on your remote, change the profile to movie or direct to decode multi-channel audio. Fourth fix is fix your TV's digital audio setting. Open the TV's main setting menu using the remote, then select the audio, sound or digital output setting. Look for the digital audio format or audio output option. Change the setting from PCM or stereo. Select Bitstream, Dolby Atmos or Auto. Fifth fix is perform a factory reset. Turn on the Vizio soundbar, locate the physical button on the soundbar control panel. Press and hold the Bluetooth button and the volume down button simultaneously. Maintain the hold for 5 to 10 seconds, then observe the light on the front of the soundbar flash 3 times, indicating the system will turn off. Turn the soundbar back on and reset the audio. Thanks for watching.